Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here. Wow, the joy is just too much. I've been longing, I've been hoping and wishing on how to create this channel, but I've been too busy. I've been actually very busy. So, but I said to myself, you don't need to hold the knowledge you know to yourself. You need to help someone out there. There is somebody that needs you, that is connected to you, that you need to speak to, that you need to teach through your YouTube channel. And that was how I created this channel. And my main aim is to help. My main aim is to share my knowledge. Now I'm going to be introducing myself. My name is Blessing Regina Udochi, the creative director of Emeralds'apparel. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. I am based in Calabar. I am married and a mother of 4. The next is my aim. What is my aim for this video? The reason why I created this channel is to help beginners. I'm going to be sharing 6 fashion tips and also going to be teaching beginners and even intermediate classes or advanced classes how to craft and sew with the simplest and most easy English terms that will make them to understand. I'm not going to bore you with grammar. I'm going to teach you with ABC kind of level. Like I said, I'm a mother. So if my children bring homework home, for me to be able to teach them, I have to bring myself down to their level. I have to bring myself to the level where they can understand. No matter the grammar I know, no matter the English I know, they are not yet on that level. So for them to be able to understand what I am teaching them means I have to bring myself low to their level. So that is my main aim. That is what I am going to be doing in this channel. I'm going to teach beginners how to sew, how to draft, cut and sew with the simplest and easy English that will make them understand. I'm not going to bore you with grammar. I'm not going to bore you with grammar that you will find it confusing, that you sometimes quit and say this thing is not for me. No. I am here to encourage you. I am here to inspire you. I am here to help you to know how to sew. Because that passion, that zeal you have in you, I am here to bring it out and share it to the world so that you will not feel that this thing is not for me. No, this thing is actually for me. So I am here to help you bring out and grow that talent which is inside you. You might be very busy, maybe you have passion for sewing and you're a busy person because of your work and you need a side hustle. Because at some point in life, everyone needs to learn a skill. Yes. I think we all need to learn a skill, if not for people, if not to sew for people or to make money out of it, but actually to help yourself, to sew for yourself and for your loved one. You might have an occasion to go and you need a DIY kind of tutorial that will help you on how to just do cut and sew for yourself. So you are in the right channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try and subscribe. If like my channel, comment. And let me also tell you the benefit you get from commenting, the benefit you get from subscribing to my channel is that the question you drop in the comment section, I am going to be teaching. In fact, the next tutorial I am going to teach is actually from whatever style, from whatever pictures you drop, from whatever designs you drop in the comment section. That is where I am going to pick my next style from. If you have any questions, if you have anything bothering you concerning fashion tips, tutorials, please drop in the comment section, because we are like a family here. YouTube is like a family. So YouTube has made it very easy for everyone to learn at the comfort of their home. And that is why I am here, to help you, to help beginners, to help anyone out there that does not have the money to go out there to learn. But you can upgrade with time, because in fashion you have to upgrade. Be it in your mind, that at the back of your mind, that you must upgrade. So please, you are in the right channel. And if you want to follow me on my Facebook name is Blessing Udochi Emerald. Also, if you want to follow me on my Instagram name is Emerald05 and E-Fashion. Emerald05 and E-Fashion. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share and tag your loved ones to this channel. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.